Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Now I'm going to talk about a little problem I had. This is an old shop drawer unit which came from a co-op, and I tried to get hold of one of these to open it, and it was jammed solid, and I was pulling and yanking at it, and what I was trying to get out was one of my power banks for my phone, and it was jammed solid, and I'm going to show you why it's jammed solid. But before I do that, this is one of my power banks. It's got a solar panel on the side. It's quite a thin unit. I've got several of these because I've done a review of these, and I was sponsored to do a review some time ago. And it's quite handy. They don't charge that well on the solar panels, and you can see they're quite compact. But the one I was trying to get out, I put it in one of these bags, which is okay, but the bag was about twice the thickness it should be. I thought that's strange, and that's what was jamming the drawer. I thought this is all a bit odd. Anyway, I finally got the drawer open, and the power bank I was trying to get out had swollen and split all its case open. And what's happened is, these are the batteries. Alright, can you see them? They're all swollen. Bear in mind, that is what was in one of these, or a similar one. You can see how much it's swollen. And with the solar panel and all the electronics, it was jamming the cupboard up. And so I've managed to salvage the electronics out of it. The case was totally split, but you can see what's happened to these batteries. I'll do it side on. You can imagine how much is swollen, because similar to this one would have two batteries in it, like these. They should be just like cardboard thickness, and I don't know why they've gone like that, but they're very close to exploding. So I daren't put them in the waste bin. Simple reason is, what happens if they catch fire in the waste bin or explode? So I've got a bit of dilemma. So what I've done, I had them laying in the garden on concrete, out of the plastic case. And what I'm going to do, when it's actually rubbish day, I'm going to put them in the bin then. But it's amazing that they didn't explode or catch fire in the drawer. Now, I'm quite careful with batteries, and I'm quite careful with power banks or anything that has these modern batteries in. And I've got a routine that once a month I check everything I've got that has batteries that are rechargeable, and I check to make sure that they have at least half the power still in the batteries, and if they haven't, I put them on charge. And this one was done not so long back, and it was perfectly okay, no signs of any faults. It's not been used much since new, this one, and this is the symptom. It's a completely different make to this one. So I'm a bit concerned now about anything I keep in the house that might explode, because these do catch fire. And I'm going to put this back in the garden because I don't even like having it in the house. So if you've got any power banks check them to see if the casing is bulging. This case was actually cracked and split wide open, and that's how I could see the batteries in it. And when I took it finally apart, that's what I was presented with. I just wondered if anybody else has had problems with these power banks. It's a solar power one, which has got an LED torch thing underneath, they're the LEDs, and it's a twin USB outlet, and it was green in colour. That's all I can tell you. I can't even remember what make it is, but it's worrying to see this. So thanks for watching so far. The next part of this video is to do with a short walk in the local woods as part of our lockdown exercise. Out for a walk, our daily exercise routine. Going for a walk, and we're in the woods again. And then we're going down to the boating lake. What level we got on today? I think we're level 3. 3 plus today. Thermals. Yeah. Not as cold as yesterday though. What was it, -3 most of the day? Well, we're not going to the cake shop today. We both put on a little bit of weight. Some more than others. You're about half a kilogram up. Yeah. And I'm about 1.5 kilograms up to what I was. A nice piece of the wood. It's quite open now, the trees are bare, aren't they?
Not the undergrowth flattened, hasn't it?
Yeah, the undergrowth's died back. A few blackbirds. Seen a magpie this morning. Haven't seen many dog walkers.
A bit late for me.
Foxy Forester. We're so lucky that this is not too far from our house, and we can walk to town and walk to the boating lake.
Tarmac,
and yeah, paths are all tarmacked, and the top bit near the town, it's illuminated at night, isn't it? No, I wouldn't want to do it at night. Well, we don't go out at night, do we? We're not at the boating lake yet, like the floodplain, and there's people feeding the geese. That's nice to see. No, it's a bit...
It's not aerated.
No, it's not aerated. Yeah. People feeding the birds. That's good. I thought the pigeons would be down. Yeah, the pigeons are there. Yeah. Just put some grain down for the pigeons, the geese, the ducks, the coots, moorhens. I think they're a bit partial to mince pie. Let's keep going. Do you want to go around that way and then we go to the woods? Yeah, we'll go around that way and leave these to get the food.